Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to show you how to make any object appear to look 3D. All you need for this is a blank piece of paper, some color pens or markers, a pencil, as well as the object that you wish to make 3D. We're going to begin by placing our object in the center of the page. Next, we will take our pencil and we will outline very lightly the object onto the page. Okay, so I've outlined mine a little bit darker just so that you can see it for the purpose of this video. The next thing you're going to do is take your color pens and we are going to draw straight lines just at the bottom of the page. You will repeat the process until you get to the first pencil mark. When you are drawing the next line, we are going to draw as close as possible to the line we just have, and once you reach the pencil mark, you are just going to make a small curved line going across the two pencil lines and then continue your line straight. You will continue this process until you have reached the top of your page. Once you reach the top and you have completed the last section of the pencil line, you will just continue making straight lines until the top.